Sort of.
Sort of. Those trees. The bay. Film the sign. Look at the sign. Golden Gate Bridge. That's where we're going right now. Have you seen the Golden Gate Bridge before?
Nope.
Never?
Never.
Oh, I'm sorry. We could have been over there by the city and kind of looked this way, but we're going to go over it. Coming from the opposite way. So the Golden Gate Bridge, it's gold, right? It's made out of gold?
Right?
It is?
No.
No?
There it is right there.
There we go. We're getting there.
It's coming. It's definitely made out of gold.
Then why is it red?
I don't know. I'm joking.
Slow to 25 miles an hour.
Look at that.
Wow, look at that. Is that awesome or what?
Yeah. We're going through it.
Yes, we're on right on it. So why is it red? Do you know?
Because of the color of the primer that they used was orangish red.
When they bought the steel,
When they bought the steel.
they just kept it that color.
Yeah.
It looks brighter away from it. Right here it looks duller.
Yeah.
It's starting to get dark right now, so you can't really see the sun. Why did they build this bridge?
Why did they build it?
Yeah.
Because so many people wanted to get to the other side.
Yeah.
Because San Francisco is so popular and they wanted to go.
I wonder how
Not having to go to
across
the
before.
boats,
Ferries.
the ferries.
Yeah. It's made out of steel. Is this thing a cable? This big old thing right here?
Cable?
This big old round thing. It's a huge cable.
Yeah.
Awesome. Do you see Alcatraz over there?
Alcatraz. Nice.
Well, hello everybody. Steve Tristan here with DIY Aidan.
Mm-hmm.
So what's up, Aidan?
Hey,
It's like the old school days. Where are we at right now?
the Golden Gate Bridge.
Oh, nice. So I would wonder why we would be in front of the Golden Gate Bridge. Well, we're obviously based in California, but we're far away from home. We're from Los Angeles, so we're up in Northern California, San Francisco, and on a little trip. But we figured, talking about the Golden Gate Bridge might be a good idea because of the engineering of it. And, a lot of handymen, a lot of people out there who work on homes, want to understand how certain things are made. One of the ways that we package our sliding screen doors in a company, we use bridge engineering. Did you know that? Yeah. The corners. Think about the cross members of the bridge.
Oh.
Whoa, light bulb just went off. Yeah. So, why is this particular bridge, the Golden Gate Bridge, why is it red if it's called Golden Gate? Do you know? Why is it called the Golden Gate Bridge and it's
Because
red?
the primer that they bought for it, that came with the metal, was reddish-orange color, and they left it that color.
Yeah. So, and it's made of plastic or no? Or wood? It's all steel.
no,
It's all steel?
made out of fiberglass.
No, it's all steel. So,
No,
it was built a long time ago too, wasn't it?
yeah.
It was basically to get from San Francisco, which is over there. I see San Francisco.
Up right there.
Yeah. To Marin County, which is all the way over here where we're standing. So anyhow. All right, guys. Why am I moving that way? There we go. Much better right here. There you go. Okay, guys. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the Golden Gate Bridge online. We'll add some links to some cool sites that'll give some good information on the Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, and how to make bridges. That'll be a really cool project to do too. You want to build a bridge?
Maybe.
We could do the popsicle stick one. We'll give that a shot, huh, guys? All right. Take care. God bless, and have a great night.
Catch you guys next time.
Take
Bye.
care.